All set to go here. Should push back on time, or very close to it. Short hour and 7-minute flight to Detroit. Give you a quick update on arrival time and the latest weather near the top of our descent. Make yourself at home. We'll be underway in a few minutes. Once again, welcome.
Our boarding door is now closed. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they're set to airplane mode. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. Use of Wi-Fi to make video voice calls is not allowed. We're almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, so your tray table and carrying items, ensure all armrests for the rest in position. Thank you.
Flight 10 for yours for departure, cross check and I'll call.
Once again, a very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Delta 2213 nonstop to Detroit. My name is Zeke. I'm your flight leader. Along with Marshall, Michael, and Gina, we're 4 Los Angeles-based flight attendants. Excited to have you on board today. Safety is our priority, so before we depart, please direct your attention to the video monitors for a brief presentation of the safety features of our Boeing 757 aircraft. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If the video monitor not working, please let us know.
It takes preparation, consistency, and resilience. The determination to stay the course until we reach our destination. That's how you make it to the top. Our future is bright, and we'll continue to push forward, working together to be our best. We're committed to the journey and the experiences that come with it. Always climbing, one flight at a time. We're honored to be the official airline partner of Team USA.
Some of us you see.
Some of us you hear.
Above the clouds
And below the wings.
or pushing forward.
Behind the scenes. Each of us connecting you.
Is at the center of all we do.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
And thank you for flying with Delta.
Our first priority on every flight is the health and safety of our customers and crew.
So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message. Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin and place smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you.
If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air.
In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We apologize if this means our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member's instructions.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 10 exits on this plane, 6 doors, 3 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. Additional rafts are located in a ceiling compartment in the forward section of the plane and at the back of the plane. If necessary, the rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember they might be behind you.
If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children who weigh less than 35 pounds, place the vest around the infant's waist and secure the strap between the legs. Refer to the safety information card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are located in a marked compartment at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are at resting position, and your tray table is put away. Please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
The team at Delta brings our very best every day to make your world a little smaller.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Flight time today, 1 hour, 7 minutes. We do dim cabin lights for the duration of the flight. Additional reading lights located above your seat, along with the flight attendant call button and your event control. Thank you. on currently number 2 for takeoff. This time I'll let ask flight attendant for the cabin departure. family, thank you for letting us be a part of your journey. Extra special welcome to our Sky Miles of a Day members. We appreciate you continuing to trust us with your travel. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. So for your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever that seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience some unexpected rough air. Also, remember to use caution when opening overhead bins, as islands are shipping during takeoff, and please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions and prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on that safety information card in your seat back pocket. Wi-Fi is available and power outlets are at your seat so that you can stay connected and enjoy free messaging. You can find instructions to connect in the About Delta section of your seat back screen. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and service offerings today. We're pleased to offer a variety of complimentary drinks and snacks. Alcoholic beverages are available for purchase. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you might have brought aboard with you. You'll save 20% on double miles when you use your Delta Sky Miles credit card from American Express. And for payments on board, we do encourage contactless payments with tap-to-pay systems using Google, Apple, or Samsung Pay, but we also accept any traditional credit or debit card. We ask that you leave your face cover on until flight attendants complete service at your row. Please join us in our efforts to comply with the federal mask mandate and safely care for one another by quickly replacing your face cover over your nose and mouth after briefly taking a bite of food or a sip of your drink. If there's anything we do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this 1 hour, 7-minute flight up to Detroit. Super glad you're with us today. Welcome aboard.